Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Cadillac key fob. You're going to need one of the 2450 batteries, and you're also going to need a small flat tip screwdriver. This is a 1.5, and I've put links to both these items in the description below. So what you want to do here is first find the silver button, press the silver button, and slide the mechanical key out. Next, this piece will be popping up, and there's a little indentation right here, and you want to stick this mechanical key in there, nice and firm. And you can see it will pop up a little bit. Sometimes it'll pop all the way. This time it didn't. Go ahead and take your fingernail and peel back the silicone cover here. Now take this screwdriver right here and just pop right there. Make sure you place your new battery positive side facing outward like that. Put your silicone cover back on. This top piece goes in first. Give it a good squeeze. Put your key back in, and you're all set. There's no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.